Good morning, friends. So today we will discuss something on contract of agency. Okay, so we know that normally in the case of business contracts, normally one of the contracts which we have to study, which we have to know in the business is contract of agency. Before knowing what is agency, let us discuss who is an agent, because agent is a part of agency. So, agent is a particular person who works for the principal or who works for the company on commission basis. He is paid remuneration in the form of commission for work whatever he is carried out. Okay, so one part this is there. Now, what are the activities which an agent has to carry out normally as far as he is with the principal or with the company? Firstly, the important role of an agent is he should report to the principal regarding normally the business matters. What is the business targets, how much he has achieved, how much he can make up, and how much he can also do it in the future. In future, what will be the targets achieved by him? One thing. Second thing is normally again he should also make sure that normally again he is rendering proper books of accounts, not any fake accounts, not with some imaginary figures and other things. There must be some transactional validity with proper documentary evidence for the transaction. You should maintain proper book of accounts with normally the respective the evidences for that, like bills, vouchers, and normally say any other documentary evidences in support of the transactions. That is more important, and this has to be produced from time to time whenever it is asked, or at the time of audit, or at the time of results, or at the time of whenever the company needs that. Second thing. Third one is he must not deal with his own accounts. It does not deal with his own accounts means normally again suppose if he is having his personal account, he cannot deal anything with the agency related transaction in this personal account. Personal account should be used only for personal, strictly personal use only. That is one side. And then he should not set up adverse title. Thus, in the name of the company, in the name of enterprise, he cannot start one more enterprise legally. So it is prohibited. An agent is barred from such kind of activities. For example, if there is if you are a dealer of Haldiram's Nagpur, so if the agent of an Haldiram cannot start one more enterprise in the name of Haldiram and then start one more business. So this is prohibited in law. See, this is strictly unauthorized, one part. And then being an agent, normally you should be loyal to the respective companies. Loyalty means whenever you are required, you should be present. Whenever you are required to again do some business, you should also make sure that you meet the targets. You should also make sure that normally again you perform your activities well. That is more important. And then normally again becoming suppose if there are terms and conditions from the company saying that you cannot take up one more agency, or you cannot take the agency of competitors, or you cannot take up agency beyond the the areas allotted to you, territories allotted to you, etc. For example, if you are agent for a Mangalore region, you are the agent only for the Mangalore region. But if the territory is allotted for you, saying that you are an authorized agent for entire Dakshina Kannada, then you can handle every part. So likewise it should be. So you should make sure that what is the territory allotted to you. On the basis of that itself, you are requested to act upon. These things are there for the agent. Next, normally again, what agent should not do as an agent. Normally again, what is that he should be refrained from. First thing is normally again, he must make sure that normally again he is not cheating the company, not indulged in fraudulent activities, not making any of the activities which is against the interest of the company, like normally again the leaking out trade secrets, confidential information, or whatever is there going on in the trade, it should not be told to the competitors. That is one side. So as far as possible, trying to avoid relation with the competitors. This is what normally he is required to do being an agent. One part, this you have to understand then. Okay, so this one side. Next, what are the benefits of the agent now? The benefits of the agent is, first thing is, for whatever the good work he does, normally he is entitled to receive the benefits for the same. Monetary benefits, what he can get is normally he can get the commission for the sales. Or suppose if he is exceeding the sales target, he is also entitled for a special commission. Special commission also. So apart from the regular commission, he is entitled for regular special commission also. One part, this is most important. Second one is normally he is also benefited to get normally get any number of workers he wants from the company. He can request a company that he wants workers, or he wants a better infrastructure, he wants promotional tools to be given to him, or he wants promotional training to be given to promote the products, or he wants some other things, whatever is required in the business from the company. But it should be clear, but it should be told well in advance to the company, and there must be an agreement for that. Legally there must be an agreement. Only then normally an agent can get these particular benefits there. And then suppose if there is any offer, like say for a particular sale or for a particular product, whatever it is, and these offers normally benefit whatever is there, that an agent is entitled to receive. This is one side. So these benefits are there for the agent. Next, contract of agency. How this contract of agency starts? The contract of agency starts when company is interested to allocate the agency and agent on other hand is also interested to take up the agency. Let me make this very clear. Company is interested to allocate the agency for the respective agents, and agent on the other side is ready to take up the agency because of his own interest, out of his own interest. So in such case, when both people together come, then a contract is possible, a contract of agency is possible. What happens when there is a contract of agency? Now one side, an agent gets the agency of a particular company, so he can work for the company in his territory or in his allocated area. So what he can do is he can promote the company's products one side. He can also make sure that normally he makes the sale as per the set target or expected targets. He can also make sure that normally again he is again promoting almost all the products of the agent and all the products of the company. So this is what he can do there. He can also make sure that he will serve to the best interest of the company. This is possible in the contract of agency. Okay, one part. Next, what are the repercussions to be taken by the agents when he is dealing with a particular company? First repercussion what he can take is, he can make sure that now again he is with the company itself. So as long as he is serving the company, so long as his service is there with the agent, with the company, he should make sure that he is not indulged in any kind of malpractices like leaking out confidential information, leaking out the trade secrets, formulas, designs, copyrights, patents, trademarks, whatever is there, it should not be sold or it should not be leaked out or it should not be dealt personally, or he is also not coming out with any of the financial matters with the respective persons, whoever is other than the company, other than the part of the company, to be very specific. This he has to make sure, one part this you have to understand. And then normally again he should also make sure that normally again he is also taking repercussion on normally again the targets whatever is expected to be done. Suppose if it's not done on a particular business or something. For example, to make this clear, see Mahindra is allocated the agency to Karnataka agencies. Mahindra and Mahindra products agency is taken up by Karnataka agencies in Dakshina Kannada. Suppose, since he is into the business of the automobiles, in automobiles what happens is there is a target, and these targets cannot be accomplished in certain parts of the season. Certain parts of the season of the year means in the month of March or April, normally we can find it normally there is low sales. Why? Because of budget and other factors, financial factors. And in the end of the year, normally, so end of calendar year, normally the sales is less. Why? Because a problem of modeling results in automobiles. Modeling, say if you purchase in the month of December 2016, your vehicle gets 2016 model. But if the same is purchased on January 2017, it becomes 2017 model. So the perception of the people is like this. So it is likely to have an impact on sales of the company. So ultimately, agencies sales will not pick up in these months. Maybe or sometimes when in the first month of the first quarter of the year, or usually in third quarter of the year, normally sales get affected. So in such case, he must take necessary repercussions like placing giving some good offers or trying to promote it in different sense, etc. So in such case, normally the agency contract can be again well undertaken. So this normally an agent has to take care in the contract of agency. So long as he is in service, he should try to maintain safeguards, try to maintain some better modes of promotion. These things becomes important. Given for this then. So now what are the benefits of the contract of agency? First one is benefits to the agent. Agent gets recognition. Certificate of recognition can also be given based on his performance, one part. And suppose if there is any club membership, he is also qualified for that club membership. He is also qualified to get recognized from normally any of the associations. Suppose if some traders association is there, he can get recognized in that. That is one benefit. Monetary benefits are also there, so they can also get monetary benefits apart from the regular benefits also. That is one thing. And so suppose if he is continuing the agency for a longer period, normally again there is a possibility that normally a company may also give him other benefits also from time to time. These things are the next benefits for the company. Benefits for the company is companies products are promoted on time. And because there are some areas which agent knows very well, because of that particular areas he can make sure that normally he performs better for the company, promotes the products of the company, make sure that a company's products are well established in the market, reaches on time, available to the respective customers. These things becomes important. So this happens in the contract of agency. To sum up, normally agency is a contract between two parties. One is the company, second one is agent, and agent works for the company and is entitled to receive the remuneration, and company is supposed to support the respective agent for promoting its products. Thank you very much.